Struggling with centering elements, creating full-page images, or vertical layouts on mobile? When you try to use 100 VH to make something fill the whole screen, it doesn't always work perfectly. But with dynamic viewport percentage, it's like magic. It changes itself based on what's happening. If the address bar shows up, dynamic viewport percentage adjusts. If you scroll and the address bar hides, dynamic viewport percentage knows what to do. Using dynamic viewport percentage is super easy. You just make a small change and voila, your designs look awesome on mobile. We are not limited with dynamic viewport percentage only. We have small and large viewport percentage as well. So you can choose any of them based on your needs. What do you think about dynamic viewport percentage? Let me know in the comments. And if you like the idea, don't forget to like the video.